So, hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through the Old Town of Antalya. It is Hardian's Gate. It is the only remaining gate from former city walls of Antalya. It served the entrance of the Antalya old town to Galaxy for 2000 years. That was the official description of the gate, but according to local legend, Sultana Bilqis, the Queen of Sheba mentioned in the Bible and the Quran, is said to have passed under this gate and enjoyed the happy days of the palace in the Esplendors on her way to visit King Solomon. You are a kind of person who enjoys nightlife, I would definitely recommend you to watch this video and visit this place. This is an amazing place for anyone who knows how to party responsibly. You can see pubs and bars on both sides of the walking road. We can see hotels in both sides of the road, but to my surprise it was very difficult to get into those hotels because this place is always jam-packed with tourists and it is very hard to get a room available. This part of the world, people never sleep here. I mean, at 3 a.m. it is even more crowded, I would say. And this is the place you should be grabbing some gifts for your loved ones when you're going back home. I don't know how old this door is, but it looks very old to me. And also, time to time, you're going to bump into some of the doors and some of the walls that is actually coming from the Roman period. So in every bar they have some attractions. In some bar people are singing, in some bar people are dancing with the traditional Turkish dance and whatnot. During my visit, I actually have become one of the big fan of Turkish music. Turkish mats are very famous. Maybe you should check them out. So it is actually a very modern hotel built on top of a very ancient site. We can see the glass, and under the glass it has preserved one of the oldest relics of the old time. So one of the popular stone in Turkey is Zultanite. It changes color, depends on the surroundings, and can only be found in Turkey. You can find Sultanite from one of those stores. And we're going to see more and more bars. No surprises. Do you see the red lights on the ground? It is actually glass protected excavated site where they have found some of the wheels from the Roman period, and they are on the display. It is actually a very beautiful tower we can see up front. It is currently used as a mosque. It is built on the site of a Roman temple. The relics from the Roman temple is still preserved out there. You can go and see. I have plans to show you the mosque and the relics of this mosque in the shorts, so keep your eyes. So please take a moment to like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss out any of my updates. It is the iconic bazaar of Old Town of Antalya. Enjoy. So it is Antalya's hidden tower. It has been used as a lighthouse for the ships, and it was an integral part of the defense system and material storage. That's all for today. I know the video is not perfect, but please like and subscribe. And please let me know if you have any questions or comments so that I can improve myself.